So what's up guys, today we are fixing water heater switch. So this is the water heater, So let me explain the wire. This is the neutral from the DB, and this is the live from the DB, and this is the earth. And because we don't have enough wire, we decide to use this wire for the output for the water heater. This is the live, and this is the neutral. We didn't put earth in here, we just put only earth for the input. So this is the output going to the water heater. So this is the water heater. Then this is the output from the water heater switch that I showed you. Then this is the water heater. We are fixing this thing. We are fixing this wire here to be able to on the water heater. You can see the. So guys, if you look where you will see the input. This is the live and neutral. This is the neutral input, and this is the live input. Then this is the earth input. Then this is the output that's going to the water heater. This is the neutral output, and this is the live output. Then this is the earth bar. You put the earth wire here. The earth wire will be here. Then the supply will be here, and the output will be here. Then this is the neutral. You put it at the neutral bar, and this is supply. So this is supply from the DB. Then this is the earth. Put it at the earth bar. Then this is the output that's going to the water heater. And this is the neutral. We are using this green for the neutral. You put it at the neutral. That is the neutral. So this is supply. This is the live. So this is how to connect it. This is the neutral. Then this red wire is the supply from DB. Then this is the neutral from DB. Then this is the output that's going to the water heater. This is the supply and this is the output. And this is the supply and this is the neutral.